Welcome to a video presentation on typhoons. This video was made by Amanda and Nikita. What is a typhoon? A typhoon is another word for a tropical cyclone. It contains warm air that rises over warm waters. A typhoon can bring extreme damage due to its heavy rain, tidal surges, thunderstorms, and flooding. How does this happen? A typhoon, also known as a tropical cyclone, usually starts off in a tropical ocean. Then, when a high pressure begins to rush to a low pressure, it creates a strong wind. After a storm is created, the wind is rotated around the eye, also known as the center. The strong wind pulls in moisture from the ocean and converts that moisture into heat. Heat causes more air to flow into the eye, in result of evaporation. A storm is categorized as a typhoon if the wind speed is able to reach 74 miles per hour. Where do they appear? Typhoons occur almost everywhere in the world. However, there are a few known locations where they take place most. Some of these well-known places are the western parts of the Pacific Ocean, the east coast of Asia near Japan, and India. Why do they occur? Typhoons are caused by the spiraling of the Earth's rotation. The Earth's rotation causes the wind's speed to start rotating, hence forming a typhoon. What to consider when preparing? Typhoons are very destructive, and it is important to acknowledge what a person can do before a typhoon happens for personal safety. The website Typhoon Manila recommends to know your surroundings, build an emergency kit, evacuate, or if needed, begin putting sandbags around the foundation of your house. Make sure you know how typhoons can affect your area and do your research. How does this affect where humans live? Using Japan, for example, typhoons occur so often that they've come up with ways they can evacuate and prepare themselves. During June and December, Japan is prepared to face great typhoons that are likely to do much damage. Typhoons affect many residents of Japan. They affect residents of Japan in many negative ways, such as destroying houses and buildings, possibly damaging people's jobs, leaving them jobless. It can cause a major shift in the weather, which did happen in Japan with Typhoon Nuri. Their enormous flow of wind can affect negatively towards trees and plants. Can human activity impact? Human activity surprisingly does affect the frequency of these storms. This happens when factories or any other activity that causes pollution pollute the air, causing global warming. This causes water to evaporate and glaciers to melt. In the end, human activity like this negatively affects tropical storms. Most famous on record, Typhoon Ida, which hit Japan in 1958, damaged property worth of a whopping 50 million USD. Typhoon Nancy, 1968, might have had possibly been one of the most strongest winds ever measured in a tropical cyclone, and took nearly 200 lives and left thousands of injured people. Wow, typhoons are scary. It's okay. Just, again, make sure to know your surroundings, research on typhoons before a typhoon is coming, and stay safe. Thanks for listening to our presentation for today.